So I guess this is where we will start the video. Whew. Sorry, I'm out of breath. So I rode up here thinking I was recording. I was not recording. Ran into a dead end. Had to turn my bike around on a hill. So now I will record my going back. I sit here and catch my breath because I'm super out of shape. Let's enjoy the view. Yeah, very pretty. Well, let's do this. Let's go back down. So I rode up this road thinking it was going to come through. Well, guess what? It doesn't. Right behind me, completely blocked. Like I said, it looks like they came through here, well, coming up anyways, so I never said it before. Looks like they just came through here with like a bushwhacker and just hacked away the manzanita that's in here. And underneath it was a road. And then they got sick and stopped and tired. Back behind me. So I ran out of road. Oh, let's just come back down. I was also saying earlier on the way up is I highly recommend people to wear the right protection. You know, boots, good boots with good ankle support, good steel shank in it so your toes don't get crushed and your ankles don't get crushed. Pants, armor, good helmet. I mean, protection is very much a good thing out here. The reason I said that is because I had about 5 or 6 sticks come up and hit my feet. You know, just in regular boots, those don't work very well. That's a good little downgrade. Going up was a lot funner. Going down isn't bad, but just don't want to get too much speed. Me personally, I just leave it, put it in first gear, and you know, depending on terrain, maybe second if it's a little bit smoother of a road. You use that engine brake. Apply the black brake every once in a while. Scoot back in the seat if you get going too crazy, which I am not, so keep good balance and let it roll. Again, another good steep hill coming up here that I climbed up. That was missed. I hope people are liking this content. And you know, if you want to see some other type of riding, let me know. I will do, I don't want to say just about anything, but I will do majority of rides. I haven't done much single track just because I am on a bigger bike that I just picked up last year. Still learning. I've done some single track, but not too much. But yeah, let me know if you just want to see sights or if you want to enjoy the ride, or you know, some destinations in Central Oregon that you guys want to see. Yeah, just let me know. Oh yeah, this is where it got a little spicy, a little rocky. For me, the key to this is just staying loose, man. Let the bike move around. Let it move. Let it wobble. Be ready for direction. I got a rock stuck on my caliper. I don't know, but I got a stick. I got a branch. I'm gonna get the flatter ground here. There. Let's find that on this rock. Oh, missed it. Look at that. There we go. Got it. Beautiful, beautiful country out in here. Ponderosas are pretty dang cool. to the right here. Second, what I see from the map anyways. Maybe. Yeah.
I've been on that way. It's not, I don't know if it's paved all the way to the lake.
Yeah. 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 That's why I got this bike. Is just it'll go anywhere, wherever you want it to go if you want it to.
Well, take
But
care.
you too. Thanks, sir.